This quick video is about how to verify your email address on iPhone. Okay, first to open your settings app, then click here and open name, phone numbers, email. Okay, actually if you are a new user for Apple ID, you need to verify your email address. For me, I already added a email address, so I just show you adding another email address. Just tab edit, then tab add email or phone number, add an email address. Here type the email address. Next. Then you will send a verification code to that Gmail address. You need to enter that here. That's it. Now that email address was verified. It's actually a simple process. And this is how you can verify an email address on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.